already I teach you by mobile. I send you the thief story. Just we take a review of this lesson. The thief story is about two characters. Which of these?
Anil and Hari.
Very good. Anil and Hari. Anil was work in a news magazine. He wrote some story about the magazine. He is a single person. They show here he is a single person, means not married person. Hari. What is the age of Hari here?
15.
15 years. And Anil's age?
25.
25 years. Okay. Hari was a thief. Experienced and successful thief. They mention here experienced and successful. He have a successful hand. Successful hand means wherever he go to steal something, he was successful at that. And Hari was not his original name. Okay, because he changed his name every month. Why?
To fool the police and his former employees.
To keep him away from police and former employees, means those people he made for a thief reason. म्हणजे ज्यांच्याकडे त्यांनी चोरी केलेली आहे, ज्यांच्या संपर्कात तो आलेला, कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आलेला आहे, त्यांच्यापासून लपण्यासाठी, पोलिसांपासून लपण्यासाठी तो काय करत होता? त्याचं नेम प्रत्येक वेळेस चेंज करायचा. वेअर हरी मेट अनिल? Where? No, not a bus stop. Means you not watch video carefully. It means at wrestling match. Where Hari met Anil at wrestling match. When Anil watched a wrestling match. Wrestling match म्हणजे कुस्तीचं मैदान. At that time, Hari met Anil. Hari approached to Anil and insisted or requested Anil to keep him at his home as a servant. Give a job as a servant. At first, Anil refused, not ready to keep Hari as a servant because Hari not afford any servant. He doesn't have a lots of payment or much payment. So he can't afford the Hari as a servant. So he refused first, but still Hari insist him. Insist म्हणजे आग्रह करत राहणे सतत. So Anil ready to take him with him, but what he put a condition. Which condition put to Hari?
He would feed him in return.
Only he would feed him. He can't pay anything to him. So Hari ready. Anil take him with him to his house. But first, Hari doesn't know about cooking. He doesn't know about the cooking. So Anil also teach him how to cook any food. Next, what is the habit of Hari?
To steal the things.
To steal the things. But at Anil's house, he not steal anything. Any object, any आपण म्हणतो वस्तू एखादी चोरली नाही. What he stole? The money. Money. Those Anil gave to Hari for shopping, to buy a grocery or to buy vegetables. For that daily, he gave some money to Hari, and Hari steal some money from that. Okay, he make a money. He make a money from that. What next happened? Once a day, what he thought? So many days goes away. I can't steal anything. I would lost my habit of stealing. माझी सवय किंवा माझी जी हॅबिट आहे ते मी विसरून जाईल. मी चोरी कसं करायचं ते विसरून जाईल. तुम्ही कसं म्हणता खूप दिवस सायकल नाही चालवली, मला येते की नाही सायकल, पोहलो नाही खूप दिवस झाला, आता पोहायला जायचं म्हणलं माझी सवय गेली पोहायची. असं म्हणता की नाही, कामाची माझी सवय गेली, अभ्यासाची सवय गेली की नाही. Like that, Hari thought that I would forgot my habit of stealing, so he decided to steal something. One thing remain to say. What Anil teach to Hari?
How to cook,
Write
write his
cook
name,
Write his name.
reading.
Write whole
Two.
sentence.
Learn, read and
Add numbers.
I also lost my habit of writing. Learn, read and
Write.
write. How to read and write. And
Add
Hari
numbers.
really like it to write his name, to learn a full sentence. But instead of that, Hari one day thought to steal the money. Those Anil bring or Anil kept with him. म्हणजे त्याचा पगार झाला होता अनिलचा आणि तो त्याच्या जवळ होता आणि तो हरीने पाहिला होता. त्याला काय करायचं होतं, ते पैसे आता चोरायचे होते. Once a day he decide to steal this money. Once a night when Anil was asleep, Hari go and steal that money from his bed. Under the mattress there was money kept. Hari take this and he ran towards the railway station to pick up any to catch the train. But once as soon as he reached to the railway station, what happened with him? The train arrived, but he hesitated to enter in the train. He couldn't enter. He stand on the railway station blankly. Train go away, but still he or went out. Still he stand on the railway station. What he think? He just thinking about the Anil. Once or when Anil find out that his money was stolen and who was stolen the money, at that time he was very upset. He was sad because not of loss of money but loss of trust. Those are on Hari. त्याचा जो हरीवरचा विश्वास होता तो पूर्णपणे लॉस झालेला असेल आणि त्याच्यामुळे अनिल जास्त अपसेट असेल किंवा सॅड असेल हे त्याला लक्षात येतं. देन ही रॅन ऑन द बाजार. देर इज अ क्लॉक टॉवर. ही सॅट अंडर द क्लॉक टॉवर. रेन वॉज देअर. व्हॉट हॅपन ॲट दॅट टाइम? व्हॉट ही थिंक अबाउट देन? व्हॉट ही डिसाइड टू गो back.
Return money.
For which reason he want to go back?
For the trust.
To learn, read and write. त्याला शिकायचं होतं आणि ती शिकण्याची इच्छा इतकी तीव्र होती की त्याच्या पुढे त्याला ती चोरी सुद्धा काय वाटली, खूप क्षुल्लक वाटली. ती चोरी सुद्धा त्याला नको होती, ते पैसे सुद्धा नको होते. Approximately he stole 600 rupees, which was enough for his for next 6 months to survive. Okay, but those money is not important rather than education. So he decide to go back at Anil's house and he go back. Anil still was asleep. He kept the money, returned to the under mattresses. Next morning when Anil woke up, what happened? Anil give a tea to the Hari and some rupees to Hari, and what said at that time? I will pay you now regularly because I have a lots of money now. माझा पगार व्यवस्थित होतोय, मी तुला रेग्युलरली आता पे करेन. आणि आजपासून आपण फुल सेंटेन्स टीच करूया. फुल सेंटेन्स राईट कसं करायचं ते मी तुला शिकवणार आहे. अंडरस्टूड द होल स्टोरी? व्हॉट यू लर्न फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी? दॅट व्हॉट यू लर्न फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी?
Education is more than stealing money.
Money is not everything. Education, to stand on your feet, स्वतःच्या पायावर उभे राहणे, लिहिता वाचता येणे हे खूप जास्त इम्पॉर्टंट असतं आणि हे त्या चोराच्या सुद्धा लक्षात आलं बघ. आलं की नाही? So for you it is also important. Understood? Now we will take question answer from this lesson.